Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Anita and today I want to show you how I use the hairdryer on my alcohol ink art backgrounds. I use this one. It's called 3 Star and it got 2 points. And I usually use it in 1, not 2, because that's too hot and it's too strong wind. So I'm going to show you the wrong way and the right way. The wrong way, what's wrong and what's right. But what I mean by that is that when it's wrong, it spreads out. You have no control over the alcohol ink. But the right way, you have some control. So yeah. That's what I'm going to show you. Very easy. It's not difficult at all. It just needs some practice and playtime and you get there. So let's dive into it. So I got my gloves on and I got the antibac 95% alcohol and I got ink from Marabou, color from Marabou. And I'm going to show you now what I call the wrong way. And I'm going to put some colors on the paper and add alcohol and turn on the hairdryer. And what I mean when it's wrong, you have the hairdryer right on top of the color. Let's see, I'm going to show you here. Put it on 1. And you see it slides everywhere and you get these fingers and it's not in control at all. The color just spread out in all directions. So when you have the hair blower right on top of the color, it's wrong. I call it wrong because you have no control. Of course you can do this to make art too, but to get in control of the alcohol ink, it's much more easier this way. I'm going to show you what I call the right way. You get a little bit more control. So let's see how I do that. I put on the hairdryer beside the paper, not over the paper. And I slide the hairdryer beside the alcohol and color. And I'm going to show you. And around. I'm going to put some more color and alcohol on so you can see how I do it. And on with the heat. Put some more alcohol. So as you can see, I'm using the hairdryer on beside the color and lean it into the color and around and lean it into the color. Around, so I go around the color all the time and lean into the alcohol so it slides the color around the paper. So now you see here I've been having some red dots where I don't want them, and then I give you a little tip for that too. You have a Q-tip, tip, and some alcohol. Take it beside the paper on the Q-tip and just wash it away. And you switch side and it's gone. Easy, easy peasy. So now I'm gonna add another color so you can see how it goes, but you can also just add alcohol to the same color like this and slide the hairdryer beside, so then the color get lighter and lighter the more you use the same color.